Okay, so I'm going to be breaking down this setup right here. This is one of many that I've given my students, my US30 Assassins Club students inside of our US30 Telegram. Okay, now if you guys notice, this market ran into the zone here and the market went straight down for a run of over 700 points. Okay, now how do we arrive at this point? Notice that the market had a nice momentum going up. You see this? Nice momentum going up. As we neared this zone here, we were getting heavy rejection. All right, market came up, pulled all the way back. Next candle came up, pulled all the way back. The wick was within the wick of the previous candle. Next candle opened, went to the same area of 2 sessions ago and closed. Next candle opened, went up, and then dropped back down. Next candle went back up. Notice how we never committed to going down. All right, I don't care how strong this candle was, there was no continuation going down. The market went back up. All right, the next candle gapped up, and if you notice, after the gap up, this market left a crazy wick on the top and bottom, and it was basically using this as a barrier. All right, this was like the bottom line. It was not going to go any higher than this. All right, so if you didn't notice the slowdown in momentum going up, if you didn't notice by these candles, although they weren't ready yet to go down, you could see that the momentum was definitely shifting. Okay, they tried after this crazy back and forth candle here, quite volatile candle here. The market then it then opened, went up, then pushed back down. The next candle opened, went up, went back down. Just as the next candle went back down, then the market went down the following candle, and this is the first fake out. Okay, this is the fake out. The market, while it went down, it turned around and went back up, and it retested this area. Okay, and I'm talking about this zone here. Okay, now this zone is one that I have my students to actually watch, but we also had a zone here. So although we were initially watching this one, we know that the market can go up to here just to try to fake you out, and they could retest, or it could test and then retest this area just as it did here. So the market, yes, it came up to here, put a boundary up here, came back down. It did not go any lower than this thicker zone here. Use this as a great support, and then the market bounced and went back up just to retest the same. See the wicks here? It went back and retest this, although the high of this candle here was in this zone. So this is all connected now. And following this, that's when the market went down. All right. Now, I may have given my students the heads up because, you know, it's all about levels. And I saw this zone as the market started to ascend and we broke through this red zone here. I saw this zone as the next target. I saw this zone as the target even beyond there. And while the market did pierce and break that and went up to here to test this zone, it never went any higher. And all of this told me that the market was actually going to go down. And that's what the market did. If you notice, the market did like a double top type deal. It did go a little higher. I don't care if it went higher than here. The bottom line is it never cleared this area right here. Now after this gap, this was significant. It wasn't a significant gap, but this was huge in terms of what the market was going to do overall. This was huge. The gap wasn't significant, but the fact that it did gap up, that's huge. And the fact that we went up to here and there was no continuation going up, ding, ding, ding. That's all I needed to know, that the market was going to eventually go down. For 700 points, 700 plus points, this is what my students were able to realize. Easy, easy, easy. If you need help with finding setups just like this, I'm telling you, my Telegram is where it's at. Get connected. Peace and blessings, everyone.